Okay, how to calculate the quantity of cement, sand and aggregate for a given slab. We will try to demonstrate it with an example, and we are starting with the example, and the given data is, let us we have the following known data. We know the slab size and the ratio of the mixture. So the slab size is, let's say, 40 by 30, and the mix is, let's say, 1:1.5:3. That is, cement is 1, sand is 1.5 ratio, and aggregate is at a ratio of 3. The unknown, or as we already mentioned it, is the quantity of cement, quantity of sand, and the quantity of the aggregate. Now, what would be our first step? First step will be to calculate the wet volume. For wet volume, we have a formula, and we can calculate it using the following formula. Wet volume is equal to length into width into thickness. In this example, we can calculate the wet volume, and sorry, we forgot to mention the thickness of the slab be 0.5 feet. So the wet volume will be just the multiplication of length, width into thickness, and we get a value of 600 feet cube. So this is our wet volume, and this was our first step. Now, coming to the second step. The second step will be calculating the dry volume, and dry volume can find out using the following formula. Dry volume is given by 1.54 into wet volume. As we already have calculated the wet volume, we can find the dry volume by just multiplying it with 1.54. So we are calculating it, in the dry volumes come out to be 924 feet cube or cubic feet. Now, we have calculated the dry volume, we have calculated the wet volume. Now coming to the step 3, and the step 3 is to finding the quantities. We have to find the sum of the ratio of the mixture. So in this example, we already know the ratio, 1:1.5:3, summation of which comes out to be 5.5. Now step 4 will be finding the quantities using the formula. Dry volume, we have already calculated it. Ratio of the component, we already know it. And sum of the ratio, which we already have calculated. So using this formula, we can calculate the quantities. So for cement, if we start with the cement, the ratio was 1, and we can calculate it first in cubic feet. 924 was the dry volume, 1 is its ratio in the mix, and 5.5 was the sum of the ratio. So it comes out to be 168 feet cube. We also know that a 50 kg cement bag is given by is equal to 1.25 cubic feet. So we need a total of 134.4 bags, or roughly saying, we need 135 bags of cement of 50 kg. Now, if you want to calculate the sand, quantity of sand, we can use the same formula, and the answer come out to be 252 feet cube. Similarly, if you want to find the aggregate in cubic feet, it comes out to be 504 feet cube. So thank you for watching, and if you like the video, kindly subscribe to our channel, Learning Forum.